Hi, I'm Hetla Vasavada. I'm a former Masterchef Season 6 contestant, a cookbook author, and blogger. You can follow me on Instagram at Milk and Cardamom. So my specialty is desserts. Today, I'm showing you guys how to make a strawberry cardamom creme brulee and a banana oatmeal using a homemade banana milk. The strawberry cardamom creme brulee is essentially strawberries covered in a cardamom custard, baked and then covered in sugar, which is torched until you get a crispy, crunchy shell. So you get this crunchy sugar, this floral, vanilla-like custard, and these soft, juicy strawberries all in one bite. The banana oatmeal is made with a homemade banana milk, and then it's simmered with steel-cut oats and then topped with fresh berries, fruit, and an apple compote that's spiced with cinnamon and cardamom as well. My life is super busy. I work as a caterer, recipe developer, food photographer, social media manager, plus mom, and you know, the only way I can make my life a little bit easier to outsource. And I outsource my groceries quite a lot, 2 to 3 times a week. You know, sometimes the inspiration hits and I really want to work on a certain recipe and I don't have time to go grocery shopping for it. I know I can go online, order what I need, and I can go pick up my daughter from school, and I know by the time I get back, I'll have the groceries. I know I can be more productive at home. I can spend more time with my daughter. I can spend time working. I can get more client work done. So it just makes life so much easier.